Hello, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer specializing in Excel and Power BI, as well as Excel Automation Consultant. So here's our current situation. We have a workbook where someone, despite all my pleas, has decided to use merged cells. And now we want to take this data and we want to perform some sort of analysis, put it in a pivot table or, a chart or something, but these merged cells are getting in the way. Now, in my example, I think I only have maybe about 35 rows, but imagine if this was 3,500 rows. Last thing you want to do is come here, unmerge, and fix all of these. Fortunately, there's a quick and easy way to do this in Power Query. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to go ahead and create a new workbook to do my Power Query analysis. And then I'm going to go to Data, Get Data from File from Excel Workbook. Okay, I'm going to select my Excel workbook and click Import. And in here, I am looking for this sheet. Okay. At this point, I'm going to click Transform Data in order to bring it into the Power Query editor. And here we go. It brings it into the Power Query editor and it shows up with the merge cell shows up with the value in the first item in the merge cell and then the rest of it just showing nulls. Excel has a quick and easy built-in way to fix this. You simply select the column, go to the Transform tab, and then click under Fill and select Down. It goes ahead and fills in all of these values, and you're all set. And so what I'm going to do here is, obviously if I was doing this in real life, I would do some more cleanup, like remove these columns and convert these data types and so forth. But just for purposes of this demonstration, we're going to assume we're done. And we're going to go ahead and close and load to a table. Okay, so with this example, we've gone from this to this. I hope you found this useful and helpful. And if you did, I would appreciate a comment as well as you liking this video. As always, thank you for watching.